So we're here in this big complex in Germany, and it's a Russian party apparently, and it's massive, massive, massive. So hopefully I'm going to try and take some sneaky photos before we start getting dressed. We've only just arrived and we've got 45 minutes before we go on. So yeah, I'm shattered, but it's all go, go, go. So yes. So, we're trying to get ready. As you can hear, it's a very large audience. Okay.
I had to get changed in the toilets.
Yes.
And it's really, really hot here.
Really hot.
Very, very hot. No aircon.
No air
But
conditioning.
that's show business for you. Life goes on. We've got to do a great show.
Oh God, yes. So, just
7-hour drive from Poland to Germany.
Yes. 7-hour drive in a little van.
So we had to get up 6 o'clock this morning.
Yeah.
Stuff a little bit of bread down our throat.
5:30 actually.
Yeah, 5:30. Get up 5:30.
5:30.
We've got here like an hour ago. And
Yeah.
we just get ready. Actually, 45 minutes to change for the show.
Yeah, it's incredible. And yeah, the toilets were nice, but you couldn't open the windows. It's a massive, massive, great big arena again. It looks like some kind of celebration, but I couldn't tell you what of. Anyway, outfits. This is what I'm wearing today, guys. Woohoo! It's one of the Bonnet creations. Is it Bonnet creations? Bonnet creations. So it's cute. I've got to breathe in though, because I've got a bit of a stomach. This is Noel's outfit. Outfit number 1. And an outfit. Look at that. So it matches. Shame. So good. And they're so good at creating stuff.
Tailor-made. Tailor-made.
Tailor-made. My Master Productions. And for sandwiches, I can't show you any food yet because we haven't got any, but these are the snacks we've got. He's filming us, we're filming him.
Watching you, watching me.
Watching me, watching you. Cute.
Germany. Oh my gosh, she's worse than Al Capone. That's right.
Bobby, go where you at? Bobby, go where you at?
Hey.
Bobby, go where you at? Bobby, go where you at?
Bobby, go where you at? Bobby, go where you at?
So this is my bed to be, because I haven't bounced on it yet. So that's unusual. I've never had one of those before, a little furry thing. But anyway, look, it looks quite nice. It's about the size of my bedroom at home, but not, I need to think about, anyway, I've got a lot of things to think about with regards to where I live. Anyway, so this is the view out of the window. I have no idea where this is, but quite nice out of the window. Little village vibe. Cobblestone ground pathway. And the bathroom is en suite, and I really like it. It's really cute. So just around the corner, in a kind of a little kitchenette kind of a vibe, you find the bathroom. And you know me by now, I love the little extras that come, especially the good quality ones. So I love a few extras. The other one that we were in last night had a few sachets. Now beware of the sachet, I don't do sachets. If they come like this is really nice. The horrible little sachet thing I don't get. It's like they buy them like, you get 100 in a box of some random shower gel and whatever in a random sachet box. No. Anyway, there's a little sink in the corner. Don't know what that is yet. I shall tell you about that later. But I love the way it's all fitted out. Lovely floor. It's really clean. There you go. Yesterday's room, the shower, the cubicle was off the runners as well, and I had to kind of lift that back on. But I was far too tired to film it because I was so tired yesterday. Didn't know whether I was coming or going. We were only in the hotel for like 2 hours before we had to get up again. And then I was out. This one, no runners out of place. Don't have to put the door back on. That's twice I've had to do that now. So this is a tiny little kitchenette, well, kitchenette, bathroomette en suite. And it's quite cute. And although we had all that rain earlier, it is really warm in here. And I am suffering a little bit. So I'm just going to open the window if I can. That's lovely, that's it. Some fresh air. Turn out the window. There we are. Yeah, I filmed the whole segment and then realised that I hadn't pressed the button. So I don't even know what I've said. And I have to go backwards and do the last bit again. But anyway, I was showing you, I'd opened the window and I was talking about the way workers work, the way singers, musicians, actors, dancers, those who are actual workers, not necessarily top famous people, but us who work at this. It's not particularly glamorous. The hotels, the venues are not, some of them are really nice, but once you get to the parts where you are changing and getting yourself together, you don't have a lot of time. We didn't have a lot of time. We did a 7-hour drive from Poland to Germany in a van, which was really comfortable actually, but I'm not very good at sleeping in vehicles, so I didn't sleep very much. I did a lot of editing and listening to music and looking out the window. But you get to the other end, you kind of unfold yourself when you get to the other end, and then they tell you you've got half an hour to get ready because you're due on stage as soon as you get out of the van, car, wherever, vehicle. So we got out, I unfolded myself and my hip was killing me, and anyway, got myself together on stage, did what you needed to do, and then we got delivered here, and I don't know where I am, but it's very nice. But we generally just kind of get on with it, really. So I know there's a spa in here somewhere, so I'm going to try and find the spa, have a shower, get some real food, because I haven't really had a proper sit-down dinner for about a day. I didn't have breakfast this morning because it was 5:30 in the morning and that was too much for me. Couldn't really do anything at 5:30 this morning. Had 2 cups of tea and a ham sandwich. Snacked in the car because I can't sleep in vehicles. So I think I got about an hour or so, and then I started editing my videos for the journey here, and then got to the venue, did the venue, did the show, come out the show, come here. I'm sure I said this already anyway, I'm just delirious now. But this is how it is. It's lovely, but it's unglamorous. It's not what you would expect. A lot of people think that you're going to be treated like Diana Ross, and you're not. You are working and you are fulfilling the booking generally. So you have to have stamina and you have to get on stage and do your thing. Ignite as soon as you get there and be wonderful, and then get off again and then get ready to come home. So generally when I get home, I'm shattered. So today I will be looking forward to getting into the fur-covered bed and having a good night's sleep. And we're leaving tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock Germany time, Polish time, which is an hour ahead. And then I'll be back in my day job on Tuesday. So hopefully I'll be fine for that. But this is what it is. So thank you for being with me today. Thank you for being with me for the last 3 days. I think it was 3 days. Thank you. Anyway, now you can see what I've been up to and what I run around doing like a mad person. So yes, I'll see you at the next one. Enjoy. Thank you for loving the videos. See you soon. Bye. Oh, I keep doing that. Well, I need lessons on how to not put my hand over the camera. I wanted to show you, look what I found on the pillows. There's 2 of them. They're everywhere. They're everywhere, look. They're everywhere. So if you haven't got any energy and you need a sugar rush, they're on the pillows. And I wanted to also say, you know, I was telling you about how unglamorous the life is. I'm only talking about comfort and creature comforts. I really do enjoy doing my gigs and being out and about and being everywhere. I do try and keep my energy levels up and try and stay fit, because I know that it's unexpected. What I'm going to find when I land is unexpected, so I do try to keep fit, but I really do enjoy it. I just wanted to put that in there. I don't want you to think I'm moaning, because I am not. It's great. If you understand that it's not glamorous and you don't expect to be treated like Beyonce, you will have a great time. Okay? Just wanted to get that in there.